What's up, fellas? If you've been training for more than 12 months and want better flexibility without sacrificing strength, this is for you. I've made a 3-part video series teaching the mechanism of flexibility using modern methods so you can perform better in things like calisthenics, weightlifting, MMA, and yoga. Let me be crystal clear. This is not some enter your email and I'll send you another useless PDF download. Click this link and you'll be taken straight to the most valuable video tutorial series on modern flexibility training that I've ever created. Most importantly, it's designed specifically for men like us, aged 35 to 45, who are now finding it challenging to make time to work out whilst maintaining their health, family, and career commitments. Pay attention to what I'm about to share, and I guarantee it, you will learn more in the next 10 minutes than you've learned in the past 10 years scouring YouTube. Click the link in the description and watch lesson 1 now.